So we had lived overseas for a while, and I saw what people did in this developing country in small villages for, power solutions using a solar panel or two. And I was amazed at how much they were able to light and refrigerate and things like that with just a couple of solar panels. I thought, why is this not done more often in the United States? And that kind of started the thoughts going in my head. And then, as I start doing research and I realize this can be a financially advantageous thing also. When we were moving back into our old house and doing a renovation, it just seemed logical to add solar to it if we could. And that's how we got on the road to looking for it. I actually had a proposal from another company, and it was great. It was a good proposal. I was totally prepared to accept it, but I thought I should get a second one just to, make sure I'm doing due diligence. And somebody told me about Earthright. I had no idea who Earthright was. Just some construction worker from another contractor that was doing some other work on the house mentioned you guys. He said, oh yeah. So I thought, oh, whatever, I'll just do it to get a second bid. And then I met Matt. He came over and he designed something that was fairly similar to the other, but it had some notable differences. The differences between the proposals was one of them was for 21 panels. This one was for only 17 panels. And so I asked Matt, I was like, are you sure you've calculated correctly? That's a lot less. 4 panels is significant. And there were 2 things that he told me that was important. One, he said they prefer to take a conservative approach to undershoot. He said, we can always add panels later if we need, but you can't just return them to us if we've put too many on. It doesn't work that way. So they looked at the whole house and what were some solutions they could do in terms of, the attic. We re-insulated the attic, put in an attic fan, those kind of things for efficiency's sake. So we went down to the showroom. Being able to visualize, especially the efficiency part, visualize what was going to, change in our attic as far as replacing insulation, seeing what the radiant shield was. I kind of had an idea in my head, but to be able to see it in a mock-up, what was there. The showroom was neat. Working with Earthright Mid-Atlantic has been great. Everybody has been super friendly. On the efficiency side, the people that came and worked in the attic, the solar panel install, everybody's just been really easy to work with. We've had a lot of work done on our house in the last year, and all the folks with Earthright have been the easiest by far to deal with.